Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we're going to move into power user mode and take a quick look at some tips for using macOS Finder that you may not have known about. Now there are several alternatives to Finder out there, however, paying for a different application when there is a stock app that works just fine is totally understandable and it's good to make the most of it. So hopefully some of these tips may help. Now first of all, I'm going to bring up a new window by pressing Command and N. And we can see that by default it's opened with a list of my most recent files that have been accessed. Now you may not want every new Finder window to open here. You may want it to open to a completely different folder. So I'm going to open Preferences by coming up to Finder, then the General tab. And at the bottom there is an option to choose what the new window will show. So I'll click the drop down and the usual suspects are all here. We've got iCloud Drive, Documents, Desktop, the user directory. And you can also select a custom folder selection down here by selecting Other. I'm just going to go with Documents though, and then close this Finder Preferences window. I'll close this existing window with Command and W, and open a new one with Command and N. And sure enough, we are open at the Documents window. Next, we're going to take a quick look at customizing the toolbar. Now, I'm sure many of you know that the toolbar can be modified to have different shortcuts or icons in them. Simply come up to View, then Customize Toolbar, and you can click and drag items out of the existing toolbar, as well as put some other items in there. It's very simple, and lots of apps that have a toolbar have this ability as well. You don't have to just have the icon showing, it can be the icon and text, which I think can look a little bit busy, or it can just be the text. I'm going to put it back to an icon though and click Done. That's all quite normal, but did you know that you can customize this toolbar a little bit further by putting shortcuts to applications or files in there? If I click on Applications here in my sidebar, I'm going to press the Command key and drag the OmniFocus application up here to the toolbar. And it's added, although the icon hasn't taken for some reason there. Not sure why. No problem, let's try another one. I'll press Command and bring Omni Outliner across. That one looks okay. All right, no problem. Let's just try it again. I'm going to drag this one out from the toolbar by pressing Command and dropping it out. And let's try putting it back in again. There we are. That's better. That looks how it should. And it's not just apps that can go here. If I navigate to a file here, I'm going to press Command and drag this up. And I've now got a shortcut to the file where if I click, it opens.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.